All right, so when you have a lot of files, like obviously I have folders, so if all of the things were outside and just you had endless pages of things, you want to create folders. So you would do new, you would create a folder, you would title it, let's say you could do sticker collection, and whenever you purchase a sticker collection from someone, you can drop it in there. Or I've even seen some planner people that have actually done a folder for each shop that they shop for regularly, so they can have all the stickers. Like if they're looking for my stickers, and they'll have a Plan with KG stickers, or the name of the thing is actually Chloe George Designs, but they would have that. Then they will have a folder for another planner person and another one and whatever, so that when they're looking for something from that specific brand, they can go there, or they can do it by season. So if you want all your season, you know, like let's say summer stickers, so if you are planning for summer, you would go here to kind of house all of your stickers. So once you get in there, you're literally super simple. You're gonna drag the item into your folder, just hold and press and drag, and it'll be dropped in there. So for any of your folders to show up in your favorites folder, favorites is actually going to show you things that you have flagged at the top, but it's also going to show you folders that you have starred. So these are my starred folders. If I go to my regular documents, all I have to do is for that folder to show up in my favorites is just press on the little star, and now that folder is going to be in my favorites folder. If I wanted to remove it from here, I would just tap on the little star and it disappears from this folder. And make as many folders as you like. You can even make a folder within a folder. So this is my shop, right? So all of my stickers from my shop are here. But then in my personal, I do have different things. So I have a folder for my son's things, a folder for finance, planners past. So I like to keep my planners and kind of review them. These are just planners from 2020, 2019, the ones I used. And then here are things that I've tried that I don't particularly like. So I put it in here. I'm like, tried it, whatever, didn't work out. So I did that. So this folders are within a folder. And even within a folder, you can actually star it so that it comes up on your favorites. So you would hit star again, and then that folder within a folder comes up in your favorites. The way to do that, again, same thing. You will go to your folder, you would click inside your folder, you would click add a folder, and then it would create subfolders and so forth. Can you create a folder within a folder within a folder? Yes. Here I am, a folder within a folder, creating another folder. So we'll do bam, and so forth. Like, don't over folder yourself, because then it's going to be hard for you to look for stuff. Which leads me to the search button. If you're looking for something in particular, click the search. I'm looking for my Aloha stickers, and I have tons of folders and I don't remember what folder I actually put it in. Click on it and it'll take you to whatever file you are looking for. That's it. I really hope that you enjoyed these quick tips on digital planning. Let me know down below what you'd like to learn about next, so I can continue to make these little quick videos for you. Thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.